Hey guys, today let's learn how to hide your seen on Instagram read messages. So if you guys are wondering how to hide whenever you guys see a specific message so that they won't know, this is going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to do is to launch the Instagram application and then proceed with tapping on your profiles over here. But basically, once you're already there, let's go ahead and tap on our three lines and then settings and privacy. And once you're here, let's tap on notifications. And what I want you guys to do is to tap on your messages right here. Once you're there, just go ahead and tap on messages from individual and group chats and then turn this off. Now, one more thing that we could also do is to turn off our active status. So in order for us to do this, just go ahead and just search for active, and we are going to see this option to show activity status, and make sure that this is disabled like this, not like this. And if in the case that this is enabled, just go ahead and turn this off so that you can hide your seen on Instagram read messages. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.